So this is the Queen Victoria's and Prince Albert's garden. Yeah, precisely Queen Victoria's. You can see how gracious, how magnificent, how beautiful, how exotic. Oh my goodness, the garden is so cute. It's just one of its kind. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh my god, it feels so heavenly here, to be honest. It's like a paradise. Look at that way. You can see the sea. The Osborne house is actually set by the seaside. Yeah. Oh my word. This is amazing. And from here there's a water fountain down to this other corner of it. And a big garden, outdoor garden outside there to walk across. I haven't seen anything as special as this. Isn't it something? It's so cute. Ooh, I love this, to be honest. Yeah, we've actually toured that building as well. You know. Oh my word. People are here having a tour. And that's Somto. Somto is tired. Do you want water or a drink? Where's your dad? He could be taking photos somewhere around the corner there. Oh my god, I've never seen anything like this. This is Victorian. Victorian. I don't know. I lack words to describe this. Nkem, how can you describe this garden? Okay, maybe you should give me some vocabularies, some adjectives.
Splendid.
So how can you describe it? Magnificent?
Fine, magnificent.
Give me the words. Beautiful and all them.
Gorgeous.
Yeah?
So you can go this way, climb down to that fountain. There's one fountain I saw that was so good. That one I saw from the staircase. Is it on the other side? Okay, that's it.
Oh, there's another fountain there. This place is heavenly. Heavenly look. Ooh. Everything here is gracious. To be honest, everything here is absolutely gracious. So through here you can come down the fountain as well. I'm going down this way, guys. So down the fountain, the fountain and statues are delicate. Please do not go beyond this point. I thought you guys wanted to tell us about the fountain. Oh, really? I'm gonna go that way. Hello, you again, you alright? So,
They are amazing photographers.
It's such a big landmass here, is it? Oh, sorry. Oh my God, I love that track. And we actually came through that way, is it? I love the landmass. I can see people sitting over there as well. Oh yeah. Oh, we came with this family when we arrived, though they stay in this Isle of Wight, they said. From Newport. I think Newport is either the capital or the city center area of Isle of Wight. You know, we'll be going down to Newport this afternoon. There's a place we want to tour, Casbrook or something. I can't even remember the name. Sorry, everyone. Yeah. So probably we'll leave here around 1 o'clock because it's so massive. It's so massive a place down here. You know, this place is nothing short of, I mean, you know, the expression that this is heavenly. It's like a paradise, you know, planted by Her Majesty the Queen, 19th May 2004, to commemorate the centenary of Osborne House opening to the public. This is amazing, isn't it? Do you know that Queen Victoria actually died in this palace in 1901 in one of the rooms? Sorry, I've been through that place. Maybe I've passed the room where she died because I was meant to show you guys that very room as well. You know, the fascinating thing about this place again is that there's a training place where the Queen's children receive catering training, you know, and some skills. You can imagine if Queen's children could be undergoing such a training, learning skills, how to cook. How about our own children? Even though they have servants who cook for them, who do all that for them, but yet they have people training the children. That's amazing, isn't it? It's quite revealing. Oh my goodness. It's such a special world apart down here. You know, I like the way English people preserve their heritage. Guys, we actually got a family ticket because it was meant to be £66 for 3 of us. But we decided to buy a 1-year family ticket, 149. We cannot only use it to tour this place, but the next place we are going, we're going to use it and have 1 year from now till... Where's my family gone? From now till 2027, we can still use the ticket. And not only here, we can use the ticket in London. We can use the ticket in Southampton, Portsmouth, different places in England, even Ireland. You know, if we go on holiday in these places within 1 year, if there is any English heritage centers or sites, we can use the same ticket to tour these places. You know. Yeah, which makes it fantastic. Last year I got 1 year ticket for me and something when I went to the museum in Southampton. The ticket is still valid for £23. But this, for 3 of us, we paid 149. You know, as a member to all the heritage sites in England, where we can always visit for free of charge. You know. Oh! I'm coming. I will join you guys. I'm coming down. Yeah, I'll come. Oh, some to run after me. Where they turn this is camera safe. It's picture. You can't turn it. Make sure you get the house full. So you can get this house. Just me, so that I will snap it. Thank you. Yeah, just that way. Oh, somebody's coming. And they wanted the whole structure. And I'll be so can come closer if you want. Oh my god, this lion is quite easy. I'm not even getting my thumbnail.